Hey guys, welcome to WIGNICE. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to bleach the knots. This is very important for a very natural looking wig. If you notice, when you receive your wigs, you're going to be able to see the knots where they tie the hair to the actual lace. But once you do this process, it'll look like scalp. Today I'm going to be showing you with a 13x4 lace front wig. This is a 16-inch wet and wavy. So this is what it looks like before. I don't know if you can see, my fingers are under it, but you'll be able to see the knots at the top. Once I'm done with this process, you will not be able to see the knots. It'll just look like scalp once you put it on top of the wave cap. Okay, so today what we're gonna need to bleach the knots is a developer. You can use, for me personally, I like to use a 20 volume to mix with the bleach. It's just a cream developer, it doesn't matter the brand, but this is what I use. I also use the BW2 bleaching powder. This works best for me. I love this brand personally. Like I said, you can use this brand or you can use whichever you prefer, but the brand doesn't really matter. You're gonna need a mixing cup, a mixer. Also, you'll need gloves just to be careful with the bleach in your skin. You'll need your wig, and then I use a wig head with the shower cap to go ahead and put the wig on there, so you'll be able to see that a little bit after, once the wig is already bleached. So as you guys saw, that is the end result. I went ahead and blow dried the hair all the way through. This was the wet and wavy. I'm sorry, this was the water wave. But I went ahead and blow dried it because of the style that I'm going to do after. But if you blow dry it without using the brush, you'll get that water wave pattern that you saw when it was wet and when it was dry before. Like I said, for me, with doing a bob or whatever, if you get curly hair and you want to straighten it, you always have that option. As you can see, this hair does get straight, but once I wet it, it snaps right back into the curl pattern that you want. So again, what you're doing this for is so the roots look as natural as possible. So in another video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did with this particular hair. I hope you guys love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you later.